There you go, fake cheese sauce. How easy is that? Gluten-free, dairy-free, fantastic. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're making fake cheese sauce, dairy-free, gluten-free, fantastic. Let's show you how to do it, come on. Very minimal ingredients: corn flour, nutritional yeast flakes. Nutritional yeast flakes give that cheesy flavour. That is garlic powder, put a little bit of something in there, and that is dried mustard powder. Going in there with a little bit of salt, going in there with some black pepper, and this is how easy this is. Let's give that a mix in there, like that. Oh, covered in the stuff now, look. And this is almond milk. So we're going to go in there with about a cup and a half, something like that. I'm going to give that a stir in. And this tiny little pinch of turmeric. That's going to colour our cheese sauce. Nice little stir in, flame on, and just thicken it up. Now the corn flour is going to thicken this, not a problem. Now that is a thick cheese sauce, so we'll just turn the heat down. That is a thick cheese sauce. Now, if you carried on cooking it, it's going to thicken. If it thickens too much, you put some more of your almond milk in. Or you could even water it with water. It doesn't matter. There you go. Fake cheese sauce. How easy is that? Gluten-free, dairy-free. Fantastic. There you go, fake cheese sauce made. What's it taste like? Pretty good. For me, I would add some salt. I would make it a bit saltier. But you know, that is pretty damn good for fake cheese sauce. Gluten-free, dairy-free cheese sauce made. If you like what we're doing, big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel, ring that bell. Catch you in the next video. More salt.